Willow, Brook Bears, this is Ken Williams, Unfold the Soul. So proud of you. Your principal sent me your latest round of data, and I'm going to tell you, for as proud as I am of the data itself, what I'm even prouder of is your analysis of that data. That's huge. One, schools like yours to just get over the hump and start seeing some success is a huge accomplishment. It's a huge accomplishment. But you know what happens? One, most schools like yours don't even get over that first hump. But the ones that do, you know what pulls them back? Gremlins. Gremlins start creeping into the room, start creeping into our consciousness, and start whispering in our ear. And gremlins, just they exist. There's no way to get rid of them. There's a way to handle them. But they exist. Everyone has them. I have them. You have them. They come in and start whispering and start making you think like, how are we going to maintain this? Can we sustain this? Was it luck? Sustaining the kind of excellence you exhibited in this last round of data is about understanding what you did to get there and becoming ruthless and relentless about continuing that. And you've done that. And I'm guessing your tax base hasn't changed. I'm guessing there wasn't a new wave of wealthy, well-to-do parents who could hire tutors that moved into your area. I'm guessing you're serving the same kids, same families, same challenges, all those things, and yet you've exhibited this kind of success. And as I'm looking at this PowerPoint, I'm so damn impressed with your commitments, what you have adopted, adapted, and decided to abandon. Because the things in those lists are all characteristics, practices, and protocols of high-performing schools. I used to tell my folks when we were in the abyss where you once were, I tell them we are high-performing in spirit today and in results tomorrow. But we got to start performing, acting like a high-performing school today. And that's what you've done. So you don't get the results first and then become a high-performing school. You were high-performing, and now your data is catching up to your ruthless equity commitment. And that's what I'm so proud of. If I blacked out the data on this PowerPoint and just showed your goals, your action steps, your what you have under what you decided to act and do, if that's all I showed someone, I'd have no problem convincing them that this is the highest performing elementary school in that district, a model PLC school, a ruthless equity school. And that's because you've done the right thing. You got to act as if first, and then the results follow. And that's what you've got going. So if you got those gremlins creeping, whispering, wondering if you can do this again, you just go back to the handful of things that you made a commitment to do through adversity, through challenges, through all sorts of things that could have thrown you off your game significantly. You didn't let it happen, right? Because it's all about, listen, we're all gonna experience adversity. It's how can we shorten the time from the time we kind of fall off the horse to the time we get back on that horse. And you guys have demonstrated it. And I'm so proud of you. So proud of you. I urge you to stay with your commitments, stay ruthless about it, pick each other up. Because listen, we're human beings, and all of us drift over to the dark side. Sometimes it's about shortening the duration that we stay on that side and pull each other back to the side of light. Pick each other up. All this data is about every single person at the school. This is not data that's grade level isolated. For each grade level to accomplish what you had to have everybody on board, on a mission, completely sold out to becoming a school of excellence. I'm super proud of you. I wish I was there to celebrate you. I urge you to stay ruthless. Reach out to me if I can help you in any way. And remember to always start with the crown.